Hello, this is meteorologist Ryan Willis from the National Weather Service office in Peachtree City, Georgia, and this is your weekly weather briefing for December 15th, 2016. We start off the outlook touching on the colder temperatures across the area today and Friday, and the windy conditions expected through this evening across the higher elevations of North Georgia. Tomorrow night into early Saturday morning, there will be the chance for some light freezing drizzle or light freezing rain in parts of northeast Georgia. Another cold front will arrive on Sunday and bring showers and thunderstorms and the return of cooler temperatures, while early next week looks to remain unsettled. Gusty northwest winds will continue to usher in colder temperatures today, with the highest wind gusts expected across the mountainous terrain of northern Georgia. In these areas, generally above 2,000 feet, a wind advisory has been issued through 5 p.m. Wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour are possible at the higher elevations. Chilly temperatures are here today through tomorrow, with highs across much of the area today remaining in the 30s or 40s. Tonight, the entire area can expect temperatures at or below freezing, while tomorrow a large section of the area will remain in the 40s for high temperatures. Lingering cold temperatures combined with increasing moisture will allow for the opportunity for some very light frozen precipitation Friday night into Saturday morning across parts of northeast Georgia. This wedge of cool air at the surface will be slow to retreat, which will allow for freezing drizzle or light freezing rain in these locations. Although any accumulations will be very light, generally only up to a couple to a few hundredths of an inch, these icy patches could cause travel difficulties, especially on elevated roadways, bridges, and overpasses. Timing for this would be Friday evening through Saturday mid-morning before all of northeast Georgia warms above freezing. Here is a look at the current forecast temperature progression across northeast Georgia during this Friday night and early Saturday morning time frame. Any locations indicated in the white or blue have forecast temperatures at or below freezing during this time frame. The exact timing of this retreat of colder temperatures could be a bit faster or slower than what is indicated here, so it is important to continue to check with the latest forecasts in these areas as we approach this time frame. As you can see, many locations across northeast Georgia will remain at or below freezing through Saturday morning, while very light freezing drizzle or light freezing rain will likely begin occurring by Friday evening. Temperatures will continue to gradually warm through Saturday morning, with the coldest temperatures lingering the longest in the valleys of northeast Georgia. However, by mid-morning Saturday, all locations in northeast Georgia should have warmed above freezing, and any precipitation will have transferred over to liquid rain. As mentioned on previous slides, temperatures will rapidly warm across the area on Saturday, with even northeast Georgia experiencing high temperatures in the 50s by Saturday afternoon. Lingering showers can be expected across North Georgia during the day on Saturday. Our next significant cold front will impact the state on Sunday, with temperatures falling from northwest to southeast during the day behind the cold front. Ahead of the cold front, showers and thunderstorms can be expected. At this time, widespread severe weather does not look likely in Georgia. However, some strong thunderstorms are possible. Please continue to monitor the updated forecasts as we get closer to Sunday. Here's a look at forecast rainfall totals across our area from Friday evening through Tuesday evening. Heaviest forecast rainfall totals will be across northwest Georgia, where upwards of 1.5 inches of rainfall is expected. The remainder of the area can generally expect rainfall totals from 1/2 inch up to an inch. Taking a look at the latest drought monitor from December 13th, it is noticeable that no significant changes have occurred to the drought conditions across our area over the past week. Most of the area remains in a severe, extreme, or exceptional drought. While some minor improvement is possible to the drought conditions over the next week, no significant improvement is expected. At this time, the weather pattern across Georgia early next week remains unsettled, with cooler temperatures expected to return behind Sunday's cold front. Scattered showers are also expected across the area through early next week. Do not be surprised if a light rain-snow mix is noticed on early Monday morning or Tuesday morning in far north Georgia. No significant impacts or accumulations are expected at this time. Again, cold temperatures can be expected through Friday with a light freezing rain or freezing drizzle possible in parts of northeast Georgia Friday night into Saturday morning. Any accumulations would be very light but could cause travel difficulties on roadways in this area, especially elevated roads, bridges, and overpasses. Any frozen precipitation in northeast Georgia will transition over to all rain by mid-morning Saturday as temperatures continue to warm. Another significant cold front will push across the area on Sunday, bringing showers and thunderstorms ahead of the front. At this time, a couple of strong thunderstorms are possible, but widespread severe weather is not expected. Next week will remain unsettled with cooler conditions moving back in and lingering showers. Please continue to monitor future forecast updates regarding Sunday's cold front as well as the potential for any light freezing rain on Friday night and Saturday morning in northeast Georgia.